Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the Videforex broker using Tether ERC20. As you can see, we are on the main page of our account in the Videforex broker and we click on the Add Funds option. On this page we select cryptocurrency from the available methods and among the currencies available. We choose Tether on the Ethereum network, which is ERC. As you can see, the minimum deposit amount for this currency is $10. You select the desired amount for the deposit, and destination QR code is shown to us. You enter your personal wallet on your mobile phone. You select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Ethereum network, and click on the Send option. In the first part of the destination address, and in the second part you select the desired amount for the deposit. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking this option and proceed with the deposit. We click on the next option. On this page, the sender's address, the destination address, the fee amount, and the total amount are shown to us. By clicking on the Confirm option and entering the password, the payment process will be completed. To see more details, you can click on the More Details option on the Etherscan website to view more information about your transaction. As you can see, in less than 2 minutes, the deposited amount is displayed in our Videforex account. To view more details about this transaction, you can find more details about your deposited amount in the avatar and transaction history sections. This amount, along with a 20% bonus, has been credited to our Videforex account. In future tutorials, we will guide you on how to withdraw using this method. This amount, along with a 20% bonus, has been credited to our Videforex account. In the next tutorials, we will accompany you with harvesting using this method. Goodbye.